In this video, we're going to cover the Locations tab. The Locations tab allows you to see the current location of all of your vehicles, as well as being the default home screen for our application. On the left-hand side, you'll see a textual representation of your fleet, and on the right, you'll see the map. This is a trial account, and in this trial account, we have 3 different groups: management, sales department, and service. We can choose to see the devices of only certain groups, or all of the groups. You have the ability to create an unlimited amount of groups or to not have any groups at all. It's up to you. By default, our application shows every vehicle on the map and will continue to update every 30 seconds without you having to press or do anything to refresh it. It'll zoom in and zoom out to show the complete area that would encompass all of the vehicles. Let's look over on the left-hand side. You notice that there's 3 columns: driver name, last location, and duration. The driver name is actually the name of the device. Many companies choose to rename the device the name of the person that's going to be operating that vehicle that holds it. The last location is the very last place that reported, and the duration shows the activity and the length of that last activity. For example, Jennifer Jacobs has been stopped at home for the last hour and 26 minutes. And our system is reporting Richard at 401 Battlefield Parkway, and he's been moving for 10 minutes. If you have many vehicles, you can search by the device name in this filter. A recently released new feature is what we call time travel. You click on the box that's labeled time, you change the date to whatever that you would like, and the time, then hit travel now, and it'll show you where all your vehicles were at that specific time. To go back to current, simply click on the link that says back to current. Now let's take a look at the map on the right hand side and discover some of the features that are available to you, the user. This is a Google map, so it has a zoom box on the left hand side where you can hit the minus sign to zoom out and hit the plus sign to zoom in. The little yellow human icon, left click and hold, can be dragged over to certain streets and let go, and that'll show you a street view of where that location is at. You can also left click and grab and hold and pinch the map, or you can use a scroll wheel. If you want to see a specific vehicle and its location, you can either scroll to it on the map or simply click a link on the left hand side and hit zoom in. View details will take you to a report, and that's not covered in this video. Now let's take a look at the features that you're able to toggle on and off depending on your preference. The first one is names. You can choose to have the names displayed next to the icon. The next option is traffic. This is a color-coded overlay showing you the severity of the traffic in any given area. Green means that things are flowing very smoothly, yellow means you have slight traffic, and red and black means there's been a significant traffic event, and that may delay your driver from standard times. The next item are trails. Trails are visual breadcrumbs of where your vehicle has moved throughout that entire day. Once again, this page refreshes every 30 seconds automatically, so many companies choose to keep this running 24/7, so at any given time, any authorized personnel can look at it, so that any authorized personnel can see where anyone in the fleet is at any given time. If you were to go to a different tab then come back, the trail would reset. As stated, since many companies run this 24/7, we give them an option over here called full screen. If you click on full screen, a map will take over the entire interface, making it much easier and much clearer on a larger monitor. To exit the full screen, simply click on the exit full screen box, and it'll bring you back to the normal page. The last tab is landmarks. Landmarks are points of interest that you define as important to your company, such as your warehouse, an office, frequent client sites, etc. If you create a landmark, it's a virtual fence around a designated area, and you can be notified if any vehicle enters or exits a specific landmark. The Locations tab is a powerful tool to manage your fleet effectively. If you have any questions on how to use this tab or anything else related to the system, please don't hesitate to call at 1-800-746-5170